Hi, you two. Following on from yesterday's practical maths lesson where you were measuring items in your house using tens and you were using ones, I would like us to now complete these questions following that, okay? So you've got some warm-up questions that you're going to do just to kind of get our brains working again quickly. Just thinking like, which statements are true? 12 is more than 13. 33 is less than 41. 2 tens and 8 ones is equal to 28. I'm going to let you do those warm-up questions yourself, okay? Not with Mrs. Cochran. We're not going to go through them ones together. Okay, let's have a look at this person. How tall is this person? He is measured using tens and ones. He is something tall. There are how many tens and how many ones? Okay, let's have a look at this. I'm not going to fill any of these out though. That's what you're going to do at home, okay, today. He is 10, 20, 30, 40. He is 40 tall. Actually, no, I will fill out this one for you. 40. 4 and 0 is 40. There's a bit missing on mine. I hope it's not missing on yours. Let me just check. I hope so, because he isn't just 40 tall, is he? He is 40. 1, 2, 3. That's because Mrs. Cochran just counted the tens. There, I made a mistake. Not good. Not good, Mrs. Cochran, making mistakes. So he's 40. We know we've got 4 tens. And how many ones have we got here? We've got 1, 2, 3. He is 43 tall. How many tens? That's right. 4 tens. How many ones? That's right. 3 ones. Amazing. Well done. The elephant is 23 tall. Can you draw in the missing ones? I'm going to let you do that one yourself. You can get on with that. Then there is the same sentence here. There are something tens and something ones. Altogether, the elephant is. Then we've got here the man is, the elephant is. Can you show me how many tens and ones in this grid? Tens and ones grid. I would like you to then fill out this tens and one grid. You could label this one the elephant and this one the man. Okay, then I would like you to upload that to WeDuck if you do that, okay? Think about how many tens and how many ones. Think of we've got in the classroom, haven't we, a tens and one grid for how many children we've got here. Think about that. Think, really, really use your head and think, and use your tens and ones at home as well. That would really help you with this, okay? We've got a bar model as well. Can you complete that bar model? That would be amazing. Can you challenge yourself further by maybe using some of the things that you measured yesterday and make them into a bar model and make them into a tens and ones grid? We need to really know how many tens are in a number and how many ones are in that number, okay? That's what we're focusing on. We're partitioning the tens and the ones and really understanding how many tens are in it and how many ones are in it. Making sure we're forming our numbers correctly as well, okay? So I'd like you to have a go at this maths worksheet here. I know I've given you less help with this today, but I'd like you to get on with it. If you've got any problems at all, ring the school and they'll get in touch with Mrs. Cochran, and I'm at home this week so I can chat to you about it, and I'll be making phone calls this week anyway, but I want the children to do this as independently as they can, with doing the practical lesson first and then doing the questions afterwards. I'm hoping that gives them more time to be able to do this, and this is something we have already done in the classroom, so it's not a new concept to them. They do already know this. We're just having a quick revisit before we move on to addition, because I want the children to really understand how a number is made, and we're going to look at number lines and lots of things. I think you're going to really enjoy this because it is something that they should be quite familiar with, okay? And you can see here on this bar model, they are all missing. Complete the bar model. There are no numbers on that one, so see if you can get on with that. And it says here the man's 62 tall. I hope it doesn't say that in your work pack. If it does, then Mrs. Cochrane is sorry. I'm going to check that now quickly because it shouldn't say that. Oh. Look here, you don't even have the bar model. I've got the bar model here, but you don't. Oh, no. You are going to have to do your own bar model. Oh, that silly Mrs. Cochrane. I took the bar model out because I wanted you to do a bar model. You can pause this video and have a look at what a bar model looks like. And then you've got that there in front of you. And that is how you know how to form it. But it's not 62 anyway, is it? Let's change it to what it should be. It should have here, how tall is he? We said he was 10, 20, 30, 43, didn't we? He's 43. So let's have one of our bars as a 40. Okay. So pause the video there for you to be able to draw your bar model. I'm sorry about that. These packs sometimes, yeah, too. And I thought, do you know what I thought to myself this time? I thought, it's set out so well, it's so clear, I've done all my lessons, it's really organised. And yeah, I've just missed it. Teachers can sometimes make mistakes as well, but I think it's better for you to actually have to draw it anyway. I think that'd be really good for you to do. So I hope you have a lovely time with this maths. There's lots of things for you to do, isn't there? But that's why we're doing a practical lesson first each time. Okay, have a lovely day, everybody. Bye, see you later.